Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive with a boat trailer. Before hitting the road, always perform essential checks. Secure your hitch, ensuring it is properly locked. Confirm all trailer lights, including brake and turn signals, are working. Verify tire pressure on both your vehicle and the trailer. Distribute your boat's weight evenly, aiming for 10 to 15% tongue weight for optimal stability. These steps are crucial for a safe journey. Driving with a trailer requires adjusted techniques. Increase your following distance significantly, allowing for more reaction time. When turning, remember to make wider arcs to prevent the trailer from hitting curbs or other obstacles. Begin braking much earlier and apply pressure gently to maintain control and avoid sudden stops. Always anticipate traffic flow and road changes well ahead to ensure a smooth and safe drive. Backing up a boat trailer can be tricky, but practice makes perfect. Find an empty parking lot to hone your skills. Remember to move the trailer left, turn your steering wheel right, and vice versa. Use your side mirrors constantly and don't hesitate to get out and look if you're unsure of your surroundings. Make small, gradual steering corrections for better control. Launching and retrieving your boat efficiently saves time and stress. Before backing down the ramp, remove tie-downs and prepare your boat for launch. Slowly back the trailer into the water until the boat begins to float freely. When retrieving, guide the boat onto the trailer and secure it quickly. Always use a spotter for clear communication and safety during these maneuvers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.